Hi there, I'm Trisha Morris at Club Scrap, inviting you to join me on Saturday, August 6th at the one-of-a-kind event. We are offering a Classalong kit here for you, and what we're going to make are a series of 4 of these really cool Slimline Waterfall cards. So the card itself on the front, it has the pull tab with the ribbon, and then you can pull this open to reveal a really cool greeting. What I love about the art we've designed for these cards is that when the card is flat, the image that you see is complete. Our designer did a beautiful job of creating this amazing artwork. And then when you open it up, there's a nice little greeting inside as well. We've included all of that to make not 1 or 2, but actually 4 of these cards. So 2 horizontal and 2 vertical. This one features our adorable sea turtle here and another wonderful greeting as well. And I'll show you the easiest, fastest, most efficient way to trim all of the paper and assemble them into these fabulous cards in a way that will allow you to do that again with items from your stash. All you need is a trimmer and some paper and ribbon. Along with your kit, you're going to receive a thorough copy of step-by-step instructions to help you replicate the process easily at home. And then these are the 5 beautiful papers that you'll receive. We've got the navy, the green, this nice aqua metallic, a flat aqua, and a white, plus this fabulous sheet of cut-aparts, some ribbon, and don't forget the envelopes. We always want to make it easy for you to mail your fabulous cards out to the people you love. I'll see you in class on Saturday, August 6th. Again, I'm Trisha from Club Scrap, and I'll see you there.